Crypto Kings and Queens, we're looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. We did break this trend line. As you can see, we are right now creating a potentially a higher low, and then we could see market creating higher highs and higher lows until we're getting up to 52k and 53,300, because this is the daily Fibonacci to see the market potentially continue back down to the downside. But if we see the market not respecting these levels and you start to see the market actually breaking it and you see the retest from above, that could definitely take us back up again. But right now on the 4-hour chart, we are making high highs and higher lows, potentially up to 52k, 53k. So at these levels, I want to see if the market will reverse back down or continue to the upside again on Bitcoin. We're looking at Polkadot on the daily and the weekly chart. So we're going directly into the weekly chart, and I'm using previous support and resistance zones that we can see the market right now is bouncing in between. Going to the daily, we can see more clear on what's actually happening. So we're having the resistance at 29 and the support at 24, and until we see the market breaking either direction, because the market can obviously bounce in between before we see the market actually deciding to if we're continuing to the upside or to the downside. So what I want to see is a clear breakout, a retest near this level, and then see continuation, and the same thing goes for the support. Otherwise, it's super easy for us to get faked out from these levels. You see the market breaking, it comes inside again and then comes back down to the support, or we're breaking the support and then we see the market closing inside of the support, coming into the resistance again. This is the weekly levels that we're looking at, so the market will have some trouble in the beginning to break it. But until then, look out for the fake outs until we're actually breaking one of these levels with a clear breakout and then see a retest.